little hole. You just you push it down as far as it'll go. And I just kind of work my screwdriver around it, prying it off. I have to pull it out and then go to the other side. And then what I do is I grab it and I twist a little bit and pull. You can see it's slowly separating away from the cluster right. So I'm just about there. You can see a couple last little twists and it comes right off. On your Sportsman, if you want to be able to take this cluster off, there's a couple screws. And then next, underneath, you've got these little clips. It goes in like this, and you push that tab, and then you just pull it out. Same with this one, you can push, and then you push the tab and then push that out. I can't do it with just one hand, so I'll do that here in just a second. So I got the tab pushed out, and then you can kind of just wiggle it out. And then next, on the back side of this cluster, there's going to be a screw right there that you need to take off, and then it should just slide right off. Let me get to that. So once you have that back screw undone back here, then you can slide this off. I guess I didn't quite unscrew mine all the way. And it just pops off just like that. Go to put it back on, all you're gonna do is slide this back on and then tighten that screw back up. But what you want to look at is on this side, there's a groove right here which shows you which one this goes in. So this one with the top part with the little groove goes on that side. So you just put it on and then you tighten it up, and then you just take and you put these pieces back into there, and then you're good to go. That's how you put on the cluster.